Age-related hearing loss. Imagine trying to enjoy your favorite song or have a heartful conversation with your loved one, but the sounds are not just as clear as they used to be. It can be frustrating, even isolating. This is a reality for many people as they grow older. And it's something that can happen so gradually that you might not even notice it at first. What is age-related hearing loss? Age-related hearing loss, also known as presbycusis, is a gradual loss of hearing that happens as we grow older. It's one of the most common conditions affecting older adults. You might notice that it becomes harder to hear conversations, especially when there's a background noise. This type of hearing loss usually affects both the ears and develops slowly over time. Why does hearing loss happen as we age? There are few reasons why hearing loss occurs as we age. The tiny hair cells in our inner ear, which helps us hear by sending sound signals to our brain, can get damaged over time. Unlike other cells in our body, these hair cells don't grow back once they are damaged or die. Factors like long-term exposure to loud noises, certain health conditions like high blood pressure or diabetic, and even some medications can speed up this damage. Genetics also play an important role. If your parents or your grandparents had hearing loss, you might be more likely to experiencing it too. Signs of hearing loss. So how can you tell if you're experiencing age-related hearing loss? Some common signs include difficulty hearing conversations, especially in noisy environments, asking others to repeat themselves often, feeling like people are mumbling or not speaking clearly, turning up the volume on the TV or radio more than you used to, hearing a ringing or buzzing sound in your ears known as tinnitus. If you notice any of these signs, it's a good idea to get your hearing checked by a professional. Preventing and managing hearing loss. While you can't completely prevent age-related hearing loss, there are ways to protect your hearing and manage any loss that does occur. Protect your ears. Try to avoid loud noises whenever possible. If you're in a noisy environment like a concert or a construction site, wear ear protections like earplugs or noise-cancelling headphones. Healthy lifestyle. Keep your overall health in check. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoid smoking can all help maintain good blood flow to your ears, which is important for hearing. Regular hearing tests. Just like you get regular checkups for your eyes or teeth, it's important to have your hearing checked regularly, especially as you grow older. Early detection can make a big difference in managing hearing loss. Use hearing aids. If you have hearing loss, hearing aids can help. Today's hearing aids are much more advanced and comfortable than they used to be. They can greatly improve your ability to hear and communicate with others. The emotional impact of hearing loss. Hearing loss doesn't just affect your ears. It can also affect your emotions and relationships. It can be frustrating or embarrassing to ask people to repeat themselves, and some people might start to withdraw from social activities because they find it very hard to keep up with conversations. It's important to know that you're not alone and there is help available. Talking to your audiologist and using hearing aids can help you stay connected with the people and activities you love. Indian celebrities with hearing loss. Famous individuals like Alka Yagnik publicly shared her struggles with hearing loss, how she has overcome the challenges with the help of technology. As we discussed, age-related hearing loss is a common part of getting older, but it does not have to diminish your quality of life. By recognizing the signs early, taking steps to protect your hearing, and seeking professional help when needed, you can keep enjoying the sounds and conversation that make life rich and fulfilling. Why choose Hearzap? Now you might be wondering, why should you choose Hearzap for your hearing care? At Hearzap, we take pride in being India's first trusted hearing aid clinic. And here's why. Expertise. Our team consists of highly qualified audiologists and hearing care professionals who are dedicated to providing personalized care tailored to your unique needs. Cutting-edge technology. We offer the latest in hearing aid technology, ensuring that you have the access to the most advanced and effective solutions available. Comprehensive care. From initial assessment to ongoing support and maintenance, we are with you every step of the way, making sure your hearing aids work perfectly for you. Patient-centered approach. Your comfort and satisfaction are our top priority. We take the time to listen to your concerns and make sure you feel confident in your hearing care decisions. Nationwide presence. With clinics across India, we are easily accessible wherever you are, providing consistent, high-quality care no matter where you live. Choose Hearzap and let us help you reconnect with the sounds of life. Don't wait. Schedule your hearing assessment today and take the first step towards better hearing and a better life. Thank you for listening. And remember, at Hearzap, your hearing health is our top priority.